Hi, we're back.
With another video. So yeah, we got the air fryer that we're trying out today.
We went to Target and got the cheapest one because we're balling on the budget. This was $49.99.
Not bad though.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's pretty nifty little thing.
So basically, anyone who doesn't know, it fries your food without oil.
Hold on. There's this new craze that's sweeping the nation, which is called air fry. It's when you put chicken in a little container that we just showed you, and it comes out looking like this, allegedly.
Fries your food with little to no oil. So fried food made healthy, easy cleanup. Basically, it had a lot of other recipes in here, which is cool, like wontons, cauliflower, spring rolls, kale chips. Those are, you know, we live in LA, so that's it. And fries, of course. So yeah, the recipe thing is actually cool too because it gives you like good ideas if you don't know what you want to do with it.
What I really want to know is if this thing can fry some good chicken wings without grease, because it's supposed to be 80% healthier. I don't know what that means. So she eating leftover macaroni and cheese, which is very rude, but
It's not bomb. I use the veggie noodles.
you act like we really at home. I mean, we really at home, but hey, we had company.
Sorry, I'm
Y'all want some
hungry.
food? Anyway, so we see something already that's like, we tried to stack it to the maximum level, we went and opened it, and we noticed that the ones at the bottom didn't get any air, so they didn't cook. So it only kind of just cooked from the top. So what we did is we removed the extra pieces, put it in the extra bowl, and then we like only stacked it where like it's like evenly on there, which you could probably only get like what?
4,
No,
right?
it was like 6. I got like
Six?
six wings at a time. So this one is definitely going back to Target.
Yeah, for us, we mainly want to cook like chicken and chicken wings, like maybe chicken drumsticks and stuff like that. So it makes sense to have a bigger one because we don't want to just do like broccoli and stuff like that. You know, he's about to steal my mac and cheese. He's talking crap and now he's eating it. But yeah, you can save a lot of money on oil. I think it'd pay itself off in like, I don't know how long.
That was
I'll
so
do the math
good.
later. It was so bomb.
Like, you know how your macaroni and cheese get better the next day because all the ingredients just done solidified inside the nuggets, versus how like it's so hot that it's like it's dripping sauce too much. Anyway, so maybe I should check again. Maybe we'll go see. All right, we're gonna go check again, see what's happening. So right now it's not looking good for the air fryer at all. Like it's not like, it's looking like we're gonna have to use some grease on the next batch. Like, right? Does it even smell right? It kind of smells like really electronically. Like,
Yeah, and like it didn't look very like crispy yet, but you know we'll see if it gets crispy.
not looking good.
It's looking like we almost like grilled them or something. Like it doesn't look like we're frying them right now.
So we're about to check and see if they're ready.
They look pretty good. They look fun and they look done.
Maybe ready to one? And we're back.
They're done.
And they actually look pretty good. Like I kind of take my, like they look like they about to be bomb. We already showed them to you a little bit, but let's show you some more. We made some homemade ranch, which saves money too.
I don't know if homemade ranch saves money.
I think it does.
I don't think it does because you have to buy like extra ingredients.
But that's ingredients you already have when it comes to cooking, though. You always have mayo. You always have milk.
It takes a lot of mayo, though.
We even make buffalo sauce. You ready some hot sauce? In a minute. Please, baby, you closer. Dang. When you first start dating, baby, I'll get you the hot sauce. I'll get you the hot sauce. You need me to go to the store to get it for you? Baby, it's right there in the cabinet. Woo!
Oh, 5 sets.
You could have did it.
You took a good one. You took a good one.
That's the I get. Oh, you get the flappers and I get the drumsticks.
No, like how it has like that burnt, like I like the real crispy, like.
I know you always talking about so crispy. Damn, it just takes too long to cook. That's. Now they coming out like in snack portions. You know what I mean?
Thumbs up.
So.
But there are some downfalls. The small one, you can only put 7 in at a time.
Mm-hmm.
So we definitely need a bigger one. It's like a 1.2 quarts or something that we have. So we're doing our second batch right now. I think also it might have taken longer because we were messing with it, and
you have to invest the money in the biggest like you literally gotta go off the capacity, not necessarily with us the bells and whistles around it. Like the one I saw, it had 6 quarts. That's
like what,
6 times bigger than that, 5 times really, because we already have one here. So, but still, that's crazy.
I guess if you're like a single person, like this would be perfect.
Yeah, this
would
be, yeah, like not even. I don't care, man. It's like this literally like the portion you get when you get like when you go order it somewhere. Like,
yeah,
can I
like,
get the smallest portion of everything, please?
Or if you wanted to meal prep, like it's not even, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's like if you want to be committed to your health, you still want fried food. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that's ultimately what we want to do.
So the next thing we're gonna do is probably go out and buy the big one from Bed Bath and Beyond. That shit is hard to say.
Not really.
That's messed up. It embarrassed me on national YouTube. Yeah, is it national or is it like the world? Anyway. International YouTube. Anyway. The whole point is like we think it's a 22 minutes cooking period from what's going on. Well, we know it's a 22-minute quick cooking period. You only do 7, so we're gonna fry the rest of our chicken, and you get some oil. One more time, but we have omega-3 oils that heart healthy, smart. Can you grab it for me, babe? She'll grab that though. She won't grab no hot sauce. She'll grab that though. A little narrow ass.
Cholesterol free. Think smart and balanced.
See that right there? So yeah, I don't know if this really works, you know.
Anyway, so that pretty much wraps up our video. I think that we would say, overall recap, you have to do small batches. Takes a long time for like, we're doing chicken wings, and it's better for someone who like really eats like a bird or something.
A bird. So, but yeah, we're gonna try the bigger one, but it just wasn't in the budget. We're still developing this show.
Yeah.
So
let us know what else you want us to review. We'll go out and get it and tell you our thoughts on it and use it.
Don't buy it. We'll have to buy it. Let us go through the pain and suffering and standing in line and returning it, acting like they be like, "What's wrong with it?" So I'd be like, it was cutting off circuits inside my electrical system. They'd be like, "Okay."
Anyways, okay. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye. That's a good excuse too if you want to take something back. Target has superb 30-day return policies.
Don't listen to him. We don't take feedback.
Oh yes we do. Yes we do. We be renting shit. Like we got a party and something like that. We gotta get something fancy. We go get that shit and go take it.